Hi, today let us look at some of the words with S letter but sounds Z. Some of the words with letter S but sounds Z. All right. The first word is vase, vase, and not vase. I have a beautiful flower vase. All right, good. The second one is visa, visa, and not visa. She has applied for the British visa. Visa. Good. The third is result, not result. Result. Okay. Then the fourth is resort. Resort and not resort. Like the town has a beautiful resort. All right. And lastly, this word visit. Visit and not visit. I'm going to my aunt's. I'm going on a visit to my aunt's. Okay, can we run through that again? Vase, visa, result, result, and then visit. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next videos. Bye.